Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pukujele Wahang. I'm studying at Central University of Technology. I have designed a smart fire alarm system. Here is my circuit and all my sensors are displayed on serial monitor. When temperature increases, the blue LED will turn on and shows warning message in LCD. Let's see. LED light on. Okay, then the temperature is regulated, warning message. And when temperature is high and there is smoke in the room, the buzzer will turn on. Let's see. Here's the smoke. LED closes automatically when it gets dark and turns off if it is too bright. Let's see. A flame sensor will trigger a buzzer, meaning when I put a flame near a flame sensor, the buzzer will turn on.